Sing Chao. Kaibigan, kamusta ang buhay na meron ka? Ako'y bilang isang teacher abroad, OFW teacher dito sa Vietnam, nangarap, nagkaroon ng matinding desire para ma-support, mabigyan ng financial assistance na maayos ang tinatawag na pamilya. Makapagbigay tulong kung sino ang pwedeng mabigyan. At dumating sa puntong ito na ako'y nanalangin sa Panginoon, Lord, sana bigyan niyo po ako ng magandang opportunity na makapagbigay ng financial assistance na aking maitaguyod at maibigay ng maayos na kasaganahan ng aking pamilya para makauwi na rin sa piling nila. My friends, ako'y naniniwala na ito'y tugon ng Panginoon sa aking panalangin dahil napakaraming mga oportunidad ang dumaan. Pero'y aking hinayaan lang at hindi nag-grab kahit ni isa. Nang ito'y dumating, ang Ascendra International, hindi ko na pinalagpas pa. Ako'y naniniwala na ito ang sagot sa aking panalangin.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Ascendra International Forum. My name is Miko Imson and it's an honor to introduce you to a next generation solution startup called Ascendra International. Well, this presentation is created especially for our foreign friends and partners who wants to understand what Ascendra is all about, our mission, our vision, and the kind of impact we are building. So right now, we are in our soft operations here in the Philippines with our grand launch scheduled between January and February 2026. Remember, all marketing plans and commissions are currently in Philippine peso, but as we grow, we are preparing to expand globally. So take this session as your briefing and preparation or a way to position yourself early and become one of the pioneers in your country. So let me start with a simple question. Do you want to succeed? You know what? Everyone dreams of success, but very few truly understand what it really means. You know, here at Ascendra, we believe success is more than just making money. It's all about growing in every area of your life. Your knowledge, your health, your finances, and most especially, your purpose. Because real progress isn't just about having more. It is all about becoming more. So when we talk about progress, we look at it in three areas. First, we talk about knowledge and skills. Because remember, your ability to earn and lead depends on what you know and how you grow. This connects to our mastery solutions, focus on personal development, leadership, and of course, entrepreneurship education. Second is health, because no amount of wealth can actually replace your well-being. That's why we have our Vitality Solutions designed to strengthen physical and mental health for sustainable success. And of course, last but not the least is financial growth, because stability and independence give you the freedom to serve others better. That's where our protection and financial independence solutions will come in, helping members secure and expand their future. So we'll talk about more on that on the next coming slides. So guys, in life, you can actually try to succeed alone. All of this, you can have it, but you can do it alone or you can succeed with a partner. So the question is, what do you want to have? The truth is, no one truly succeeds by themselves. There's no such thing as a self-made millionaire. We don't believe on that. Every achiever had a mentor, a community, and the right environment. We are all designed to connect, belong, and collaborate. And when you have the right partner, the journey becomes faster, easier, and far more fulfilling. And that is why, if you want to have a great partner in success, ladies and gentlemen, you are in the right place. Introducing Ascendra International, your partner in progress. You know what? The tagline says it all. We're a network solutions company with one mission: to help committed dreamers like you grow through clarity, structure, and purpose. We provide tools, systems, and trainings that create not just income but will impact beyond profit. So today, let's meet the people behind the vision, the founders of Ascendra International. You know what? They call themselves founders, not owners, because they believe Ascendra's solution are not owned, they are found. Born from shared experiences, lessons, and years of breakthrough from entrepreneurs who dared to build something better. So let's start off to the man named Joseph Lim, our Chief Strategy Officer. He is known for his bold strategies and courage. He is actually respected as a business architect and visionary leader in the industry of network marketing. Second, Jurgen Gonzalez. He is our Chief Executive Officer. He is admired for his intelligence and integrity. He is an engineer and an innovator who known for building and transforming companies from ground up to success. And his credibility of 30 long years of experience is something that we can lean on in Ascendra International. And third, myself, yours truly, Miko Imson. I will be your Chief Operations Officer. I will be focusing on structure, systems, and sustainable partnership because we want to grow together and reach our dreams, turning vision into execution. And finally, but definitely not the least, Miss Francesca Fugen. She is our Chief Financial Officer, a serial entrepreneur who leads with heart, purpose, and empowerment. She is the picture of inclusivity and women empowerment of Ascendra International. Guys, with their combined experience and credibility, you can be confident that you are partnering with the right people to move forward with Ascendra. And of course, these founders are just the beginning. At Ascendra, you will grow with a community of success partners like the person who shared you this video, guided by what we call the 3 I's of progress: improvement, independence, and innovation. These aren't just words. They are the foundation of everything that we do. So let's begin with the first one: improvement. The first I of progress, we call it improvement. Here in Ascendra, we believe that progress starts with the willingness to improve. No matter how big your dreams are, they only begin to take shape when you decide to grow, to get better every single day. And that's really our goal here, to help you become the MVP of your own life. Not just the most valuable player, in your team or in your company, but you must be the most valuable person. Someone who knows their worth, who is in control, and who keeps leveling up each and every day. Now, the question is, how do we do that? Now, we have a solution through what we call the MVP solutions. That is mastery, vitality, and protection. These are the 3 core foundations of every successful person. So let's take a look at them one by one. First is mastery. Here, we want to grow your mind so that you can grow your value. You know, if you think about it, everything in life rewards those who have mastered something. Whether you're in business, in sales, or in leadership, your income will always be a reflection of your level of mastery. That is why at Ascendra, we focus first on education and clarity. Because mastery creates value, and value attracts money. We designed what we call the Ascend program. This is a complete entrepreneurial flight path that guides you from your first step as an associate all the way becoming a legacy partner. You know, every stage has a purpose. Every level has specific lessons and milestones that will prepare you to lead, to grow and to scale your business properly. You will definitely know exactly what to study, what to master, and what to apply next step by step. And to support the journey, we built the Ascend Masterclass. This is not just training, it's a full learning experience designed for today's generation of entrepreneurs. You know, the Ascend Masterclass is where learning meets real life results. I'm so excited about this because each module is led by experts and practitioners, not only the founders or the success partners, but we have collaborated different experts and practitioners coming from different fields as the network marketing evolves and the landscape of sales becomes more dynamic. You need to be adaptable. You know, real people who've built success businesses, failed and also learned. We cover everything from leadership, financial literacy, personal branding, to social media marketing and digital selling. You can learn through three routes. On-site through live workshop. You can also learn through online through our virtual sessions, or you can learn on demand anytime through our mobile and web app. It is flexible, it is accessible, and most important, it is very practical. You know, every lessons here in Ascendra Masterclass includes exercises, challenges, and success partner feedback. So it's not just theory, it is really transformation, and there is a science and system so that accountability will happen with your uplines or success partner as you grow in this business. You know, we want every learning moment to produce action and every action to move you closer to your mastery, right? And of course, this time, the second solution, let's move to the second pillar, vitality. Vitality is where we want to protect your energy so that you can protect your dreams. You see, what's the use of success if your body cannot enjoy it? What's the point of earning more if you don't have the energy to live life fully? That is why we always say health is the real wealth. No matter how smart or skilled you are, you cannot perform at your best if you are not at your healthiest. And that is where our Vitality Solutions comes in. We are proud to offer world-class wellness products formulated to help you feel better, look better, and perform better. You know, our Vitality Solutions are composed of three powerful world-class standard products. And these are just initial products because there are more coming up. So let's talk about our hero products under Vitality. First, we have the best barley. This is gonna be your daily detox drink that helps cleanse your body and boost your immunity. It's one of the purest forms of barley grass, packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that your body needs every single day. Next, we have Barley Fusion. This is a premium blend that combines detox, vitality, and skin nourishment in one drink. It's enriched with glutathione and collagen, perfect for that inside-out glow and total body rejuvenation. And of course, our flagship product, Omega Life. This one is really special because it's a next generation omega supplement sourced from the clean fjords of Norway and produced in Italy using Optigel delayed release technology for better absorption and zero aftertaste. You know the wonderful thing about Omega Life? It combines the full spectrum of omega oils. Most of the time, you will see only omega 3, 6, and 9. But here in Omega Life, we have a complete spectrum of 3, 5, 6, 7, 9, and 11. Plus, a very powerful antioxidant, astaxanthin. The king of antioxidant is also combined in your Omega Life. So when you think about vitality, think of these products as your everyday allies, helping you build strength, clarity, focus, and long-term wellness. Now, last but definitely not the least on our MVP solution is our protection, securing your foundation. This is our third pillar of improvement. You know what, guys? Here's the truth that's often forgotten. Before you earn big, you have to protect what you already earned. Because it doesn't matter how high you climb if you are not prepared for the unexpected. Because that's why we teach our members not just how to make money, but how to protect it through financial literacy and insurance coverage. Our basic AI and premium AI packages provide personal accident and income protection, giving you peace of mind and financial stability so that no matter what happens, you and your family will be covered. It's what we call earning with assurance because real progress means being ready, not just for the best days, but also for the worst. And just a quick note, since we're still on our soft operations, these insurance programs, including the new health and wellness medical insurance coverage for sickness and illness, are still currently available here in the Philippines. But of course, we're already working on expanding these protection benefits globally very soon. Alright? So when we say improvement, it is not just a word, it is actually a system. Through mastery, we upgrade your mind. Through vitality, we empower your body. And through protection, we will secure your foundation. These three together, M, V, and P, are your keys to personal and professional growth. Because before you build a business, you must first build yourself. And that's what Ascendra stands for. Ascend to a new era. The growth that starts from within so you can create impact beyond yourself. And of course, this time, let's go to the second I of our wonderful pillars of success. Now that we have embraced improvement, let's make the second pillar, that is independence. And for you to actually start that, you need to enroll and choose from any of our packages. Here, you can start from associate, builder, consultant, director, or executive. Here are combinations of our MVP solutions. And once you are enrolled, you are now ready to improve yourself and enjoy the 3 I's of success. Now, let's look at this. In improvement, we will make sure that you understand what financial independence is. Earning money is actually the easy part, but managing it well, that's where freedom will really begin. You know, at Ascendra, we keep money management very simple. We use 3 accounts of financial independence, so every money has a job. Essential account for daily needs, expansion account for savings and investment, enjoyment account for lifestyle and rewards. Why 3? Because when money is mixed, it disappears quickly. But when money is assigned, it grows. You know what? Give every dollar, every peso a purpose. And you take control of it. Not just of your finance, but of your future. So let's split and talk about each of these accounts. Let's make this super practical. Think of your income arriving and you auto-divide it into the moment it lands in your wallet. A simple starting guide is 50, 40, and 10. Imagine essential account at 50%. Remember, this is your oxygen. It covers the non-negotiables. Your rent, mortgage, utilities, your internet, food and supplies, transportation, and maybe school fees. If it's a need, it lives here. Tip: put this in a basic spending account or an e-wallet once you encash it. You can swipe it without guilt because it means to be spent. Number 2, expansion account, 40%. We also have this in Ascendra International within your portal. This is your future factory. It builds wealth and safety. Alright? This is where your emergency fund is. Alright? Your target 3 to 6 months of your essentials. Saving buckets, your tuitions, down payments, and big goals. And here is where your investments will be. You know, park this in a separate account so you don't touch it daily. In your portal, it's all divided. So the rule here, if it grows your capacity or protects your future, it is expansion. And third, but definitely not the least, your enjoyment account. This is your permission to enjoy without guilt. You know, like travel, date nights, gadgets, and self-rewards. Guys, why keep it? Because a plan that doesn't include joy is a plan that you will definitely quit. You will easily get burned out. So when you fund enjoyment after essentials and while building expansion, you get balance. So guys, this ratio, you can tweak this anytime in your journey. New earners may start from 60, 30, and 10 because they need more essential account. Higher earners might go from 40, 50 to 10 because the higher income you have, the higher percentage you can put on your expansion. The system is flexible, but the discipline, it is non-negotiable, right? So let's make it real. When you make examples, let's make an examples of it. Let's run a quick example so it's crystal clear. If, for example, you earn 20,000 this week, 10,000 goes to your essential, 8,000 goes to your expansion, and 2,000 goes to your enjoyment. This will happen every payout. Small amounts repeated becomes big result. All right? Now, ladies and gentlemen, the question is, how do we plug this in your Ascendra income? The good thing about Ascendra International, here we solve the financial problems of most people. The number one financial problem is their essential income is not enough. Number two problem, they have no emergency fund. And number three, they prioritize enjoyment over their needs. So in Ascendra, we solve this problem. How do we solve it? Simply by creating opportunities in every wallet. So let's talk about how are we going to fund it. First, your essential account. This will grow through what we call direct refill bonus and product retail profits. That will be your day-to-day cash flow. Because when your essential is not enough, our solution is to increase or expand your cash flow. How do we do that? Simply by doing sales or selling. Guys, we don't have a choice. Everything is all about sales. Even you are employed, you need to sell. You need to actually promote yourself. Sell your time, sell your skills, and sell your effort. It's all about an exchange of energy. The world is revolving into trading. We need to understand that. But the good thing about Ascendra International, here we have already prepared what you're about to sell. We can sell either enrollment package or the product and services. And here you can see that when you register or you help someone know about Ascendra International and they enroll the same with you to maximize the MVP solution, we have here the table of your income at Philippine Peso. So, for example, if you are an associate and you successfully register another associate, you earn 1,700 pesos. If you are a builder and you are actually enrolled another builder account, you earn 3,500. A consultant enrolling another consultant, that is 9,000 pesos. A director enrolling another director is 22,000. An executive enrolling another executive is 40,000 pesos. So here, it will only be different if you are coming from a lower rank and you successfully enrolled a higher rank. That's why the table is here to guide you as your reference. Second, you can actually learn and we will teach you how to effectively sell the products and services. You can earn through repeat purchases and retailing. Here, we have at least 28% to 50% possible retail income or possible rebate as you do and promote our products and our business. This is what's going to fund your essential account. So yes, earning is simple. Earning is just by selling and learning how to promote and market, and of course, direct your money, because real independence begins when you know where your money goes. Now, let's move to the second financial problem. All right? The second financial problem is, what are we going to do to leverage your income? All right? So here, number two is you don't have emergency fund. Our solution is the expansion account of Ascendra International. So here, you will leverage through team expansion. We will be talking about how you will go from earning alone to earning with a team. Because in Ascendra, you can build a team. You know, your essential account grows through your own effort by selling enrollment package and selling products and services. But here, your expansion account grows through teamwork and leverage. So I highly suggest that if you want to really make good and succeed in Ascendra and change your life for the better and your family, then go for expansion account. Here's the idea. When you refer and train others to do what you do, you multiply your time. Every effort your team makes can also generate income for you. And that's not just once. It is actually recurring. Because in Ascendra, when your team grows, you grow with them. That's the power of leverage. And it all happens through our income engine we call Turbo, the triple unified recurring bonus. So let's talk about what is Turbo. You know what? Turbo is one of the most powerful systems ever built in network marketing or entrepreneurship. It stands for triple unified recurring bonus. Now, question is why triple? Because it gives you 3 income streams working together simultaneously, automatically. The unified binary, the unified unilevel, and the unified override. All 3 works at the same time. So while you are building your team, all computations are happening in the background. 1 effort, 3 results. That's what makes Ascendra income model so unique. In fact, this is patented for Ascendra International. It is designed for recurrence, stability, and sustainability. So let's start off talking about the first part of the triple unified recurring bonus, the unified binary. All right? The word binary simply means 2 sides. You know, here you have the opportunity to build your left group and your right group. So here, every person that you refer can be placed on either side. And every enrollment package or product has a binary value or BV, as you can see on the left side of your monitor. And guys, in Ascendra, 1 BV is equivalent to 1 peso. So it is easy to understand. So here is how it works. Let's say you are an executive rank package enrollee and you referred 2 people. Here as an example is Jurgen and Jalim, both executive packages. And here, as you enroll them, you earned 40,000 pesos each. This is your direct referral bonus. Now, each executive package has a 10,000 binary value as you can see on the table. When both your left and right side each reach 10,000 BV, they will match. That's called a pairing bonus. And you earn an additional 10,000 pesos. So just with the 2 partners, you already earn a total of 90,000 pesos. That is 40,000 plus 40,000, 80,000 for direct referral, and a matching or pairing bonus of 10,000 for a total of 90,000. Simple, fair, and rewarding. Now let's talk about the next one. Under the binary is what we call the spillover and teamwork. So let's say you have referred 2 more people. Let's name them Ses and Miko. So since each account has only 2 positions, that is left and right, you will place Ses and Miko under your existing partners. Here's the exciting part. You still earn the 40,000 each from your direct referral bonus and another pairing bonus of 10,000 pesos for the new pair match. But while you are earning, you are also helping your team earn because your extra partners becomes part of their organization. This is called the spillover. It means your success can help others grow too. That's what makes binary powerful. It's team-oriented. Everyone helps everyone. And the good news is, in Ascendra International, we have a 1 account policy. That's why here, You have no choice because the person who sent you this video will be inviting and will be doing the business. So there will be spillovers for you as this person who invited you or shared you this video is very, very hard working. You know what here? Binary means duplication. Now let's look at this from another angle. Imagine Joseph. Joseph, for example, ladies and gentlemen, okay, Joseph, this time, okay, what he did is he actually invite someone. He invited a friend, and the name of that friend on her perspective is Teen. He invited Teen, and on his left completes a pair. All right. So Jalim earns another 10,000 pairing bonus instantly. All right, because Miko, your spillover is already on his right side, so that new enrollment from Teen on his left completes a pair. All right. So in just one effort, Jalim earns 40,000 as direct referral and another 10,000 as pairing bonus. Isn't that good? All right. So here you can understand that when we say duplication, your success will inspire your team's success. And the system rewards everyone fairly as the organization expands. Now, the good news is here. What if, okay, here on the right side, you have a weighting binary value. What if Jurgen and Ses doesn't have anyone that they can actually enroll? Don't worry, because even if your team focuses more on product sales instead of enrollment, you will still earn. Let's say Ses sells best barley, all right? This has a 7 binary value. And another team member, like for example, Jurgen sells barley fusion. And under your left, there's another 10 binary value. As long as there is volume on both sides, the system detects a match and instantly it will credit on your pairing bonus. It doesn't need to wait or consolidate. This means that even if enrollment slow down, your product movement keeps your income on your binary flowing. This is what we call the instant match payout. That's what makes Ascendra binary system very sustainable. It's not just about recruitment, it's about real product movement and real value instantly, full of transparency, no gimmicks, no any fifth pair or GCs, but focusing more on the production of your team. You can now focus on just learning how to promote and how to sell and how to teach and duplicate to your team. Right? Now, but remember, we have what we call the binary safety cap. Of course, we design everything with fairness and stability in mind to protect our long-term and your long-term income. There's a maximum binary limit per week, remember that. And this binary maximum limit is increasing as you rank up in the journey of entrepreneurship in Ascendra International. So for example, here in our scenario, you are an executive rank. So at executive rank, the maximum binary income per week is 750,000. So that is up to 3 million per month. As you move up in the rank, it will increase the limit. So that's mean the more you lead, the more you can earn, but without putting the system at risk for everyone. This is how we keep the business fair, balanced, and sustainable. So here, as you can see, for example, if Jurgen have 1 million binary volume coming from his team on your left side, and Joseph Jalim have 750,000 on the right side, you will earn a maximum of 750,000. But if this happens from Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday only, and on the next coming days from Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, the remaining 250 binary value from Jurgen's team and will match to another 50,000 new binary value from the group of Joseph. Of course, it will match and it will deduct the 250. It will become 200,000, but you will not be paid anymore 50,000 pesos. That is fair enough. But the good news is that the remaining 200,000 BV on your stronger leg, it doesn't disappear. It will stay there. We call that the strong leg retention. It will carry over for the next week's computation, and the next cycle will start on Monday next coming week. So your effort, your momentum, and your team's work will be never wasted. That's how you build income continuity and long-term growth in Ascendra International. So that is actually our unified binary. This time, the second engine computation of Turbo is the unified unilevel. So let's move to the second part of Turbo, the unified unilevel. So remember this, if binary is about with two sides, left and right, now unilevel is all about depth, the generations below you. But of course, you can now combine width and depth in unilevel. So here's how it works. Everyone that you personally sponsor becomes your first level. So here in this scenario, Ces, Jurgen, Jaylem, and Miko are all your first level direct partners. Now this time, everyone that you personally sponsor will become your first level, and it has no limit. You can sponsor more than 4, 7, 10, 20, or more people. You can personally sponsor as many people as you want. Now, the people that your first level partner sponsor becomes your second level. Their partners becomes your third, and so on and so forth, up to the 10th level. And from every level, first to the 10th, you earn 10% of the total unilevel value generated from all the products and the packages. All the products and package sold by the whole organization, you earn 10%. So imagine, the deeper your network, the stronger your recurring income becomes. So let's use a simple example here. So for example, your entire organization from your level 1 to level 10 was able to sell or enroll 100 executive packages. So each executive package, as you can see here, has an allocation and equivalent of 3,000 unilevel value. Remember, every UV, the same with BV, is equivalent to 1 peso or Philippine peso. So each executive package, because it's equivalent to 3,000 UV, multiply it to 100. So that will be 3,000 UV. So if you multiply that to 3,000 to times 100, that is 300,000 UV. You earn 10% of that, so you earn 30,000 unilevel income. That's very simple and very clear. All right? Okay, another example, if your organization sold 1,000 basic accident insurance, that is one basic insurance is 180 UV times 1,000, that's 180,000 UV. 10% of that, it's 18,000 unilevel income. So what's great is that it happens simultaneously with your binary income. While your binary is computing left and right, your unilevel is computing on the production of your first to the 10th level automatically and simultaneously. That's the power of Turbo. It multiplies your result with one effort. But of course, last but the most exciting part, the third computation engine, is the unified override. This is the one that will ensure your long-term sustainability. All right? So here's how it works. You don't just earn from your own performance here. You earn as your team earns. This is the company's way of rewarding you as a leader and guiding your direct leaders. So if you are an executive rank, for example, you receive a 10% binary override and 10% on the unilevel override, all from your first level's total income. That means every time your direct partners earn from their binary and unilevel computations, you also earn a percentage from it. Not from their packets, they will not deduct their income, but directly from the company as your override leadership bonus. So again, unified override is very powerful. Let's make this clear with numbers. So for example, you have here in this scenario 4 directs, that is Ces, Jurgen, Jaylem, and Miko. So each example earns 100,000 on their unified binary. So you will receive 10% of that. So 10% of that is 10,000 pesos. So your total unified binary income is 40,000 pesos for your overrides. So let's say, for example, they also earned on their unilevel 50,000 each. So you will receive another 10% uni-level override, and that is 5,000 pesos each. Multiplied to 4, that's a total of 20,000. Add the binary and uni-level overrides together, that's a total of 60,000 unified override income. This is your additional income computed from the total income of your members. So as long as your members are earning, you are also earning. The best part is your partner's earning are not reduced or deducted. They still get 100% of their income. The company is the one giving you an extra reward because your leadership helps them grow. So think about it. You earn from your own work, you earn from your team's work, and you even earn while helping your leaders earn more. That's the true power of Turbo. Triple unified recurring bonus. You earn repeatedly, sustainably, and with purpose. Because here in Ascendra, you achieve your dreams by helping others achieve theirs. Isn't that wonderful? And of course, the third financial problem, people are actually spending more on enjoyment instead of their needs. So this is the third problem. Most people spend for enjoyment first before taking care of their needs or savings. Okay? They buy the things they want today and worry about tomorrow later. If that's familiar, if that's you or somebody you know, then this third solution is for you. All right? The truth is, the fastest way to lose control of your finances is this problem. So here in Ascendra, we created a smarter way, a system that lets you enjoy life responsibly. Because we believe success shouldn't mean sacrifice. It should mean balance. So we call this enjoyment account, also known as your lifestyle fund. It's built in reward system that helps you celebrate wins, travel, shop, and enjoy your progress, but in a structured and sustainable way. You don't have to feel guilty about rewarding yourself anymore because here, your enjoyment is earned not impulsively. All right? So how does lifestyle fund works? Very simple. Every product and packages that are sold entirely by the whole company, not just from your team, but from everyone in Ascendra, carries what we call a performance value or PV. So each PV, again, is equals to a real peso. 1 peso per 1 PV. These PVs are gathered together every month into a shared pool we call the Lifestyle Pool Fund. Now, think of it like a community reward system. The more production the company makes, the bigger the lifestyle pool grows. And the best part, everyone has a fair chance to qualify. You don't have to be a top earner or an executive leader right away. As long as you meet the simple monthly requirements, you can earn share of the rewards if you go first. So the lifestyle fund is divided into 6 exciting categories. You have the shopping fund, the gadget fund, the travel fund, the car fund, luxury car fund, and the property fund. So just imagine, each fund has simple qualification levels. Hit your required PV and personal activity as quickly as possible, and you instantly qualify for that month's lifestyle bonus. So just imagine this. Your essential accounts gives you your daily income, your expansion accounts builds your long-term wealth, and your enjoyment account lets you experience the reward of your hard work today. That's what we call financial independence through a balanced lifestyle. Earning, expanding, and enjoying all at once. Because at the end of the day, the goal isn't just to work for money. It is to make money work for your life. And last but definitely not the least, now that we have learned how to improve and build your independence, let us talk about the third and final I of progress and success in Ascendra, that is the innovation. If improvement is about growing yourself and independence is about managing your resources, here the innovation is about staying ahead of change. Continuously evolving and building something that should last. Because in network marketing, we know the experience. We have been jumping and jumping from each company. We know people that is their problem. And that's exactly what makes Ascendra different. Our edge isn't just in the products or the compensation plan. It is on how we use technology and creativity to empower our people. And we call it the ACES of Ascendra. Wow. So what is it? It stands for AI powered, create your own brand, enterprise building, and shared profit. Let's talk about it each one. You know, when you say AI powered, we maximize technology like never before in this industry. Ascendra has its very own AI companion, your personal business assistant that will help you make smarter decisions in your business. It will analyze data, give insights, and even suggest what you can do next to grow your business. Think of it as having your own secretary, strategist, and success coach. All right? Available to you anytime, anywhere. Next is enterprise building. When you reach the enterprise partner rank, remember, we will help you take your entrepreneurship journey to the next level by registering your own company. You will get access to Ascendra's business solutions and will guide you in setting up your own legal entity of corporation, your own business name, your own structure, your own system, your own company. That is how you transform from being a seller or distributor into a real company founder or a real CEO leading your own enterprise. That is the future you have in Ascendra. That is how we relate with our members and distributors. You will not be a networker for life or a distributor for life. You can have the option to become a CEO, and we will be having a business to business partnership. And third, create your own brand. Here in the create your own brand innovation, once you reach the brand partner level, we will open the door for white label opportunities, meaning you can now create and own your own very product. You can choose from our trusted suppliers and manufacturers. You can have your own product line, customize your own product, formulate your own product, and Ascendra will help you develop, register, and distribute it under your own brand. That means you're not just earning commissions from our financial independence program, the Turbo, but here you are earning as an owner. And that's what real entrepreneurship is all about. That is what real network solutions is all about. And last but definitely not the least, the shared profit. When you reach the legacy partner rank, you don't just build your own success. You share in the success of the entire company. At this level, you earn a portion of Ascendra International's total profit as a recognition of your leadership, loyalty, and impact. Because here, we don't just reward effort, we reward contribution. We believe in growing together because real progress happens when success is shared to each other. This is a bonus, a profit sharing bonus of the company to our legacy partners if you reach that rank, and I know you will. Ladies and gentlemen, what are you waiting for? If you understood this simple video briefing of what Ascendra Solution is all about, then Ascendra International is your partner in progress. What we're building here is first in the world, an ecosystem that connects technology, business, and purpose in one platform. You know, guys, the future isn't coming. The future is already here. And right now, you have a chance to be part of it. We are still in our soft operations. As you watch this video is just an initial video recorded on our soft operations period. And our grand launch is set between January and February 2026. So this is your chance to become a pioneer, to position early, learn the system, and grow with us from ground up. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching this video. Connect to your partner who shared this video to you. God bless you all.
nang ito'y dumating, ang Ascendra International, ko'y naniniwala na ito ang sagot sa aking panalangin. My friends, magkaroon ka ng isang panalangin na magbigay ng financial assistance at pangkabuhayan para makapagbigay din tulong sa iyo at sa iyong pamilya. Tara, sama tayo. God bless our dreams. God bless our family. God bless our lives. God bless us.